Hey, welcome back to the channel. This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. And in this video, we'll be making the smashburger on the Blackstone Grill. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe. You don't want to miss it. All right, let's go over the ingredients. Right here I have some 80-20 ground beef, some American cheese, some sliced onions, some brioche rolls, and I have this McCormick Grill Mates Carolina Gold that I found. We'll try that out. And then here I have some bacon grease, some leftover bacon grease. Of course, I have a spatula, some parchment paper, and that's just to keep the ground beef from sticking to the spatula. And then of course I have the Blackstone Grill. All right, so let's get to making this recipe. All right, my grill is already hot. So the first thing I'm gonna do is you set this over here. Put some grease on my grill. All right. So what I'm gonna do is doing these about 4 ounces each. So you don't want to make them into balls, but you don't want to push them too much. You don't want them too tight. All right. So I'm gonna put it down as a ball. I'm gonna do 3 of them. All right. What you're gonna do is you're gonna take your parchment paper, just like that. Press and hold it for about 20 seconds. All right. Go on with some seasoning. I'm gonna go on with some onions. Just gonna press them right on top. All right. Press them right on top. Just a little bit more seasoning. Oh, I'm gonna throw a couple on for my kids too. This is what we're going to be having for dinner tonight. All right. Doing the first flip. So if you push the onions down the right way, try to get them all on top, it shouldn't be too hard to flip them. You'll lose a few of them, but it won't be that bad. A little bit of Carolina Gold on top. And the whole purpose of pressing it down like that is so you can get that nice crust. And trust me, by pressing it down, you're not gonna, as long as you don't form your balls too tight, it'll still be juicy. All right. Toast my rolls, my brioche rolls. All right. So these are ready for cheese. All right, these are good to go. Everything's smelling, oh man, I wish you could smell this. And the onions are looking really good. Got my buns nice and toasted. So let me put a couple of these joints together for you. You know, very simple. Everybody here knows how to make a burger, but I'm showing you how to do these smash burgers. And it's a little bit different technique. And then after that, everything is the same. You just stack your burger the way you want to stack it. So for me, I made a sriracha aioli, and it's basically mayo, a little bit of fresh chopped garlic, some sriracha sauce, a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, and some sweet relish. All right, almost like a Thousand Island, but a little bit more kick. A little bit on the bun, both sides. A little bit heavier. All right. I like a lot of onions, so I'm gonna go with the one that got the onions already on it. A couple of pickles. Some lettuce. Some tomatoes. All right. And there you go. All right, so here you go. Smash burger done on the Blackstone Griddle. All right. You know, really simple, but just wanted to show you the technique of doing the smash burger. So, you know, let's just give this a quick taste. All right. Bon appetit. Delicious. I love smash burgers. Don't get me wrong, I like a good grilled, real fat, juicy grilled burger too, but sometimes I'm just in the mood for these. And I know this is the new craze. A lot of people don't understand squeezing a burger, squeezing the juices out of it, but if you do it properly, it will stay juicy. On that note, thanks for coming to the channel. I'm Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. Smash burger video on the Blackstone Griddle. I hope you appreciate the video, and I hope you give a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. I'm fighting to get to 1,000 subscribers. I'm currently at 300. All right, so I got a ways to go, but you know, if you're not subscribed already, you know, it doesn't cost you anything. Just subscribe, hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos, and also give a thumbs up, leave a comment, you know, give positive or negative feedback. Just, you know, if you're gonna give negative feedback, you know, just give me a reason why, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm not perfect. I can learn from other people just like anybody else. But on that note, this is Chef Carl. Thanks for coming to the channel. Again, smash burger on the Blackstone Griddle. All right. And hope to catch you on the next video. Stay safe. Peace. God bless.